Hey there, my name is Saurabh Bhardwaj and keyword research. Yes, that's the topic I'll cover today. And how to do keyword research, what is a keyword, and what are the terms we use in keyword research, and finally, how to find keywords related to our business. So, these are the topics I'll cover today. Okay, so let's start. So, we need to understand first what is keyword. So keyword is whenever we go to Google search engine and we search for anything. Let's say we are searching for SEO. So the query we put in Google search box is a keyword. Okay, you can see more keywords here. So these all are keywords related to your keyword. Okay, so what exactly is keyword research? So keyword research is to find more keywords and analyze keywords related to your business, what people are searching, right? So if you have a business of SEO, let's say you are providing SEO services, so you have to find out keyword what people are searching to do SEO, right? So that they can find your website here in top search results in Google. So before we move further into keyword research, we'll need to understand what are the terms and jargons we use in keyword research. So search volume is the number, the volume, how many times, how many people are searching for that particular keyword. Okay, so I'll explain what is a search volume by using tools also. I'll show you here. So there are various tools available. ahrefs.com, you can go to ahrefs.com and scroll down to keyword generator tool here at the bottom. This is called the footer. So here you can click and you can put your keyword here. Okay, the keyword volume you want to search for, so you can put the keyword here. You can select the country and you can click on this find keywords. So you'll find all the keywords related to your keyword, what people are searching for. Okay, so you can see here, that's what I was talking about, the volume. So 20,000 is the volume for this keyword SEO services. It means that 20,000 people are searching SEO services on Google. Okay, this is keyword difficulty. Another term is keyword difficulty, means how difficult is it to rank your keyword in Google. Okay, you can see 11. So the lower the number, easier to rank that keyword in Google. Okay, so you can consider all the lower number with the lower difficulty. Okay, 11 you can consider this. So these are the keyword SEO services in Hyderabad. If you are a company based out of Hyderabad, so you can consider this keyword SEO services in Hyderabad. Also you can find more keyword with less keyword difficulty, so you can consider those keywords also. Okay, volume is the number of people, how many people are searching, and updated means when it was updated. Ahrefs, the tool, when did they update their database, these keywords and the data around it. So this column define the last updated number. Okay, apart from this, what you can do, another tool you can use, Ubersuggest. This is the tool by neilpatel.com. So you can go to Google and search for Neil Patel Ubersuggest, you can see here. And similarly here also in the box you can search for your keyword SEO company, and you can select the country you want to target and you can click on search. So here also you'll find the search volume, how many people are searching, the difficulty of that keyword to rank in Google. This is about the paid difficulty, how difficult is to rank if you are running an ad for this particular keyword in Google. And this is the cost per click, means per click how much you are paying to Google for this particular keyword if someone is clicking on your ad on Google. So you can see around SEO company, it will give all the keywords. Okay, again volume, paid difficulty, SEO difficulty, again how difficult it is to rank this keyword. So you can consider lower numbers. Okay, you can consider this SEO company in Delhi, SEO company in Bangalore, SEO company in Mumbai, right? If you scroll down, you'll find what are the websites are ranking for the entered keywords. This keyword SEO company, what are the websites are ranking in Google. You can see here, these are the websites are ranking in top results of Google search engine. Okay, so what you can do, you can create an Excel sheet. I have created an Excel sheet here. You can create multiple sheets under one Excel. Okay, so SEO services, one keyword, you have to find out topics. Okay, so if you are into SEO company or providing SEO services, what you can do, you can divide your keywords into topics. So I have divided into SEO services here, SEO company. So what you can do, all the keywords around SEO services you can put under this one sheet, and all the keywords related to SEO company you can put in this sheet too. Also you can create multiple sheets in this one Excel, and around the keyword SEO you can find more keyword. Let's say you are writing a blog post also, so you can find out more keywords here. You can write in the sheet 3, you can have blog keyword, and you can put all the blog keywords here in the sheet 3. Okay, so this was about the keyword research. Okay, tools I already mentioned, Ahrefs, Ubersuggest. Also what you can do using Google search engine, also you can click on this here in the search box. You can search for your keyword SEO services. Okay, and you can scroll down to the bottom of the search result, and you can see here at the bottom of the results you can find more keywords what people are searching related to your entered keywords. Okay, so these keywords also you can consider. Apart from this, what you can do, you can put a space in the search box, and you will find out more keywords around your keyword SEO services. So these are the keywords people are searching other than SEO services. Okay, so this also you can consider. One more extension is there named keywords everywhere. So this is an extension. Okay, you can go to here. If you are using Chrome browser, you can click on this 3 vertical dots. You can click on more tools, go to extensions, and search for this. You can click on again here extension here, and open Chrome Web Store, and can search for keywords everywhere. Okay, this is an extension. If you are using Firefox and Chrome, you can install this extension in your browser. Keyword everywhere. Okay, so you can see here keywords everywhere. You can click on this and you'll get the extension here in this results for your extension. You can see here keywords everywhere. You can install this and it will be appearing here. You can follow my cursor here at the top right corner of your browser. Okay, so what it will do, it will suggest more keyword within Google. So you can see here, I'll scroll down and you can see here at the right side of the screen related keyword. This is coming from the keyword everywhere extension. So these are the keywords around your entered keyword here. Okay. So another tool extension to find more keywords. So let's say you want to search for, you're looking for keywords related to SEO company. So again here also you can see by putting a space, I told you. So here at the drop down itself you can consider these keywords. Here also from keywords everywhere at the right side of the screen, and you can consider here also at the bottom of the search results. Okay. So again I'll revise what we have learned today. So the tools I mentioned, Ahrefs, you have to put keywords here in the search box, select the country and click on find keywords. You will find out the keywords around your entered keyword here. Keyword difficulty is the how difficult to rank the keyword, volume is how many people, right? Uber suggest also I mentioned, you can just put the keyword here, select the country, you can find the search volume and more keywords around the entered keyword. I mentioned about you can create an Excel and you can have a multiple sheets. Okay, and you can put keywords related to that topic. I mentioned SEO services in one sheet, another sheet SEO company. I mentioned about blog keywords. You can put blog keyword under this sheet. So you can create multiple sheets under one Excel. Okay. Okay, so this was about the keyword research. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll make more videos around SEO and digital marketing. Thank you so much, people.